is the website I used to purchase the wheels, thepartsbiz.com. It came with 4 tires and 4 retainers. And here I'm just showing you the description of the purchase. There's 3 tools needed: a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a hammer. These white parts, the hubcap, including this piece I'm taking off now, will be reused on the new tires. The retainer that I'm removing now will not be reused, and you can throw it away. This next part, there's a little trick. Hold the pliers vertical and squeeze, and then hold them horizontally and squeeze, and it will loosen the tension. And you may be able to get it off with the pliers. If not, you'll need the screwdriver. These grooves go on the inside. Now put the old hubcap back on and put the new retainer on. You just tap it on with a hammer. And don't forget your little retainer caps. As you can see here, there's no battery in this Jeep. You might want to do the same before turning your Jeep upright or sideways. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful.